नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical session, we will learn about microscopic examination of parasites. Basic terminology and principles. Symbiosis means living together. Commensalism means one symbiont benefits other unaffected. Mutualism, both symbionts benefits. Parasitism means one symbiont benefits, other is damaged. Laboratory method for parasites in feces. No technique is 100% successful in detecting parasites by a single stool examination, and at least 3 serial stools must be examined before a patient can be considered free from infections, in which stages of parasites would be expected to be found in feces. Whilst clinical symptoms or a case history may provide clues as to which parasite may be present, each fecal specimen should be treated as a unknown as parasite stages unrelated to the clinical picture may be present. Fecal specimens may contain several stages of parasite. Fecal specimens are examined for the presence of protozoa and helminthes larvae or eggs. The stages of protozoa found in stools are tropozoid and cysts. These stages of helminthes usually found in stools are eggs and larvae, though whole adult worms or segments of worms may also be seen. Adult worms and segmented of tapeworm are usually visible to the naked eye, but eggs, larvae, tropozoid, and cysts can be seen only with the microscope. Collection of fecal specimen. Because of the fragile nature of many intestinal parasites and the need to maintain their morphology for accurate identification, a reliable microscopic diagnosis can't be made unless the stool is collected properly. Approximately 10 gram of fresh feces uncontaminated by urine, oil, water, dyes, or radio opaque into a clean plastic container. The container should be free from antiseptic and disinfectant. Label all samples clearly with the patient name, reference number, date, and time of the collection. All samples should be accompanied by the requisition form from the physician giving relevant clinical detail and recent travel history. Sample and forms from patient with a confirmed or suspected diagnosis of certain infectious diseases such as AIDS or hepatitis should be clearly labeled with risk of infection or biohazard. Most viable parasites are susceptible to disinfection or temperature variation. If time lapses between collection and observation is considerable, that is more than 4 days, it may be necessary to add some more preservative to the feces to retain the morphology as near to the original as possible. Formed sample can be kept in refrigerator at +4 degrees Celsius for a short while but not in incubator. Any whole or worms or segmented passes should be placed in a separate container. The microscopy in parasitology. The microscope is the parasitologist's main tool. If possible, the microscope should be binocular. Most suitable objectives are the 10x, 40x, and 100x. The microscope must be covered in immersion oil removed from the lens with xylene or ether when not in use. Calibration of the microscope eyepiece micrometer on may occasion measure the size of suspected parasite in feces is helpful for the identification. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.